In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Hostinger domain in 2025 step by step. Whether you're starting a blog, launching a business website, or creating an online portfolio, securing a domain is your first stepping stone. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring it's simple and straightforward. First, you'll need to go to Hostinger's website. You can do this by entering hostinger.com into your browser. Once the site loads, you'll want to look for the Start Now button. This is prominently displayed on the main page and serves as your gateway to purchasing a domain. Clicking this button will guide you to the next phase, where you can choose the hosting plan that fits your needs best. Once you've landed on the plan selection page, you'll see various options. Each plan has its unique features and pricing to match different needs and budgets. Don't rush through this step. Take your time to review each option. When you're ready, click on the Choose Plan button for the plan that suits you. After selecting a plan, it's time to choose a billing cycle. Typically, longer commitments might offer better rates, but if you're just testing the waters, you might want to opt for a month-to-month plan. Choose the duration that fits your budget and future plans. This is a crucial decision, so weigh your options carefully. Next up is entering your billing address information. Accurately filling out this section ensures there are no hiccups in processing your payment. Be sure to double check your input, especially if this is your first time setting it up. Having accurate details will save you time and potential issues down the line. Following that, you'll be prompted to select a payment method. Hostinger provides several options, from credit cards to PayPal, accommodating different user preferences. Pick the method you trust the most and then proceed to submit payment. This will finalize your purchase, so ensure everything looks correct before moving forward. Now click on Checkout HPanel. This hub is where you'll manage your new domain. Once inside HPanel, navigate to the Domain section. This is where you can explore available domains. Hostinger provides straightforward tools to aid in this selection, ensuring you can find a domain that aligns with your brand or personal name. With the domain selection, you then have the option to leverage Hostinger's AI-powered tool to generate domain name suggestions. Simply provide a short description of your intended use or industry. The AI will then propose available domain names based on your input. And there you have it. You've successfully completed the process of purchasing a domain with Hostinger. Now get ready to make your mark on the internet. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insights on building your digital footprint. Thank you for watching.